Alright, everyone here for Nyakwawa, and about Akro Live. So, and Friday, 24th of July 2020. I will promise on some and then Yatanasia and then Ebro. Because I will share live on Facebook, Akro Live Sports, and I am Yatanasi. And me, I then say, no, Ebro, and I say, Midi, Jumedi, and Chairman, and then Anakwame, and Ponsa Eddie. And then, Yatanasi, the Bible share, and we deal with them, especially our major European listener and also across Europe. The Italian Serie A. And then, Spanish La Liga, they are cool. Real Madrid over last weekend, which made the Spanish La Liga. Samsung at the English Premier League, Liverpool knew that, and they wanted Nemo, if I check the top 4 race, yes, the top 4 race, and they about check. Samsung are back, I say, on the bottom side, relegation threatening teams, and then if I check more chances of surviving, and I feel some more relegation, and then I have to say, I had a sense, everyone, I face you tidbits around the world of sports. I will have face you never share the Ghana Premier League way forward. And it's saying, and in 24 so October, Ghana Premier League into me and shall see. I face you have a Chester, Yamanina, our Akro Live. So, again, I can see Muslim and I have to say, they brought fantastic personalities. Our studio and what said I knew that I'm quite Asante at Nasa, our spot and so on at Nasana face Steven. Yes, Steven. Bashuai, yes, Steven the Batman Bashuai, on the Sonatana say, the Jumedian and Bonte Pachu, and then any other bro. Tanasi, Yada, go Facebook, go like it, Akro Life, I face the share, the far comments, and Fabio Permono, but not stuff is yakin kind, start comments, Edit, Americans, and a TY Barber Shop, and I must say, I see me, the Jumediano, and bro, now the people will proper. Chauti kama na face no mo etuma efe wo gina wana na face wo papers atlanti era baba obey no we efe bi bi sa if na we ntino no na ti wa barber shop na there is bibia tumi akoye ere ama sansa akwakodi am pics na ne no wa bibia set ere wa daroma bibia so no etumi akoso ere ma wa wa ne wo pe baby I printing say t-shirt banner posters na there wo contact e akwakodi am pics and I say yes the man advertising the Bianca Koye, Eddie Ama or Medi or Daroma, and Eddie Jumediano, and Brona. You don't come on any, I feel so the Acabiano, I shall say, Eddie Amana production team, or any, any staff for it, and I feel so say your money, my production, Eddie and Semunia, and Brona. I didn't want me to each farmer, and if you can tell you, look at me, my son's a bigger fool. Michiana, I don't Jumediano, the indicating in well, indicating Jumedian and former MP of the Propon constituency. In a year, we have North Derby, we have North any constituency, and you have North municipal, and you have Propon constituency. So, the Propon constituency, member of parliament, and Ama, the QIC Amaji. Yes, you know what? Anyone out of us here, work out whatever I want. Nana, Ama, SCMAG, and yes, you know, producer said, happy birthday. Fantastic birthday and confirm honorable award face Michia, honorable MC Adema Crafting North Municipal Dennis Aguaji, Unia Michia on Abibian Son Kamati, you to Jemu, our man, and confirm and seven and brother, and that's here and from free Italy Mountains. So, another 2 games to Toya, our Italian Serie and not to Piemo, our Italy, and Unis, actually Juventus, upon a Cameroon, I'm on Tibuba, and I Juventus say Sacarino, a bit more, and the amount and a split or so much magic. And then so national so to fiam to ata ne ma nkoye afama Juventus e bra Juventus abo wa Cameroon wa timu ba ko Samsung SS Lazio e chibo ka ne ne Cagliari abo na Cameroon ma ne timu ba ko Cyril Mobile e no nya go e wo hono kare ma Lazio ne games no so ne betu ato aso e wo Europe ma to so a ko bi mo France ya the French Cup final so to ya Paris Saint-Germain and Saint-Etienne and Liverpool at 7 p.m. Ghana time and as a big game so to ya na go mo Italy so a big game back on to ya out the same Mesa San Siro AC Milan and Bubu Kwanini at Atlanta and Liverpool at 7:45 p.m. Ghana time and as a big game so at to ya MIT for na you game on from there only say the professional football writers awards no e ko so e wo England mo tin so awards so it be to ya but what they report e be no Branto your captain and the Liverpool Bubu Kwanini and Jordan Henderson and then the players and the writers no the two man and the man say you are the best player of the season and then penifo so let's have a subordinate to me captain and my book and as a Liverpool and then Jordan Henderson also let me acquire Ariama not to me no Abantia the D added a repair better as Daniel was listening but Abantia the other stadium and to sue in Virgin van Dijk and 9.5 years Abantia the Marcus Rashford surprisingly also me and son I was my name Mondays and the sports analyst and I'm doing one more chance as Marcus Rashford. This is the only team so ball at the same time and the Sadio Mane and also the one Kevin De Bruyne on any other toss me and one as I said and a former Barcelona legend and as a player the day Rivaldo so na Casa area found the Rivaldo edge them so no sharing that Brandon and the Kevin De Bruyne was in a kind of Manchester City no and Casa award the name to me a area man and also in before as why a Kwasa be one Manchester but one because the unity and I said you know a Brandon and the Jordan Henderson Etimeje Saba Sobode or Rivaldo as one of the San Seven Solo and the Atujana could be one from any former Arsenal boss and the Eddie Unai Emery and a grant Abova Jim said he was signed a 3 years contract and I'm a Bobu and the Villarreal or Spain Mountain so next season my father head coach and I'm a Villarreal and then somebody Abubo Bansa that my team for Thiago Silva say captain and my Paris Saint-Germain and all this some other to just say after the finals and they almost against Saint-Etienne we put a team and if you go and the Paris Saint-Germain and Thiago Silva so at the San Semino at the Atuja the MIT for the Leroy Sunny officially another a Danedy our Bayern Munich Bobu Kuruma and then I check and I say Adanedy and I check Bayern Munich and supporters no one Branton the next season will be Jeremy Sakai and I'm Bobu Quantity and the Bayern and I said Bayern Munich our one man for that one Branton and after unveiling or make it shocking revelation and then what dreams are Branton is like a Bayern for Leverkusen they didn't add Ken and Kai Havertz Kai Havertz no on the Genius Branton be good at him I be being with Chelsea catching that face no I be trying ball was so I can see our one my Leroy Sané so no ato San Seven area tom from member the MIT for the that's what Kai Havertz catching no and then the agents so in somebody at Branton no personal terms there on the Chelsea area and you know Branton almost share him say Leverkusen for so the Chelsea maybe is Kasem won share say be Branton so ebi tumi put a kitim abi bi wesi aka Elma Chelsea the MIT for na Mustafi that's a defender Elma Arsenal incredible watches a Brighton Altuma Cobra finals against Chelsea our the English FA Cup no a Brighton so need to me gire musi aka ya and then some kaka ya the MIT for na else them fencing na Brighton the Eric Fabio osina aka ya the Liverpool rather an akwa for your for to bu re mo wo the fear so mo ko wi and from the watches the necklaces na there na akwa let me ko wi am mo wi and car and the car na me charge the car police for am I so to say the mo to answer akaka no awon my na re also ma ya the to you know just Lingard a player for Manchester United me bo ni no am force yes a Branton no ya ne ye hu Manchester United a Branton akasa James a player still na ka Borussia Dortmund the dey Jadon Sancho no and ko share news a Branton bit me put na ketem abi Manchester United na fe so ni amakoye ma Branton sense of trap Branton ni din a wo share the modern ball Dortmund o gidi sa Branton be pimo buy and I said Manchester United Kaniyama bit makoye ere mama yubobo ko ne sama just Lingard so no e dey atuja na okasa say na be so bi chire ze dey so be pima wo wo boy fa and then sama be so me to e dey ma just Lingard e wo ho ma enye fere go yem fesi na fe so no yem bra fie mo se bre ni so yem bra fie na fe so na ka bia yem fa to aso em fa ma me ka say e dia me to so no e na kwa me aposa edi and no guest na tenase yes the studios no o ma tenase production team no so I said yem bra fie afin so no yembra na emedi nkomo e wo fie Krobia Santi atena se go sport so no atena se na afin so Steven the Batman Bashuai so no atena se ere komo twehwe no e be sha se ere ama mama mate nyina kwa ba bibia wo ko mi ano sport as o jire mu kakra be eyi bi bat e ma be kan sa
ko tena fa kwa
sa
Ayaba.
Yes. What about you know just about Batman? Yeah, fine. And then Bashwai try Crystal Palace and I before.
Bashwai no onya more time.
I was Chelsea and Crystal Palace.
Chelsea name one for now.
Do we fit Chelsea?
Looking at the band there, onya be say team get with more regular football, Brighton B or
okay. And then Chelsea Batman Bashwai in Cobo Brighton. Fantastic one, LFV Steven the Batman. That's sort of I can say. Quick one, memo via one minute crowd also. Quick one on Jordan Henderson, Professional Football Writers Association Award a course no. Mama didn't tell Korea Jordan Henderson. Who deserve it? Why is that go winning?
Oh, it's yeah no big kind. Yeah, be see na heading. Any sunu but asem so ba I say nya bibi ede. Because I dream na anything any which Jordan Henderson performance this season. Why are they aboa the Liverpool side now? I find say 2018, Graham won 19 last season. Bepemo and performance are ordinary. The captain armband nankasa no ekura no say ono na oye den oye leader no. Say na na oba Ghana nse won a wo pri wo mo je ni bebre ana eboa Ghana again independent but okunini no ene Kwame Nkrumah ye boni di no wo hwe Liverpool edwuma wo ma ye nyina na ye players bi a even one I want to say I can't say Jordan Henderson na obi no ye even find better players now I say one go even the award na head of Jordan Henderson or Liverpool setup ni ma but being the leader no and me say
is it only our him being the leader and I say about the performance in the league and especially
why and American the performance and so was very good now it wasn't Jordan Henderson we knew for the past 3 years back from 2018 every year to now why and we say a very exceptional when you are a very nice seasons we bring more Champions League no Club World Cup Super Cup no into me no na me share him say any of the Liverpool either Henderson Sadio Mane no obi bia no betumi age wo ho na me hu say fair wo edema wo
you deserve it so baby
who deserve it so baby
fantastic reporter Jordan Henderson who deserve it why I got Jordan is a good maybe
to me no say na me ni an kind you be at the wire when you are there well I think say nominees in there but you well deserve until I want to nominate basically when we winners but me if I was to choose there in any day I'll go in for Kevin De Bruyne. Fantastic player, which an influencer this season alone. What for Man City? Though Man City, which a player to player, Man City are ahead of Liverpool. Until non ABA, Miss Anna Mills ABA would make sure aspect make a crack. Players around you no, makes you sometimes even better. But okay, player to say Jordan Henderson, which a midfield, Liverpool midfield over there. This is what Jordan Henderson ball na the easy which currently no one team no only player during the time of last 2-3 seasons on any player aka we on one man stand waka we those players there Miolet those yes get someone but any player waka woman I say who is our fight here by indeed and I am more of English journalists football writers association definitely he's going to have your support was an English player actually. It plays a very big.
So do you think so deserve an award?
Oh, deserve once our nominated in Koyade.
Now, I'm just surprised the position of Sadio Mane.
Sadio Mane, yeah, as Sadio Mane as compared to Marcus Rashford and Ike.
Fantastic one. I want my deal. Reporter and I'll tell you, just say Sadio Mane fit and then Marcus Rashford ahead. Even Raheem Sterling, this is a boy. Sterling about then we rate Marcus Rashford ahead of him. Enjoy it. Bajai. Jordan Henderson, player of the season.
Never say. The information is surely live on Facebook. For the show, no.
We are sharing live.
Now, one comment proud to the discussion.
Yes.
One insurance, one trying to kick off one insurance. Yeah, one insurance. I'm black shows. Jordan Henderson, who said, over Liverpool team, match in Accra, since 2011. But in one, what did you do? Gerald Nominasia, and one team actually said, title we have a bear on the other. He said, what deserve it to win that award? They will play key role. I was a Liverpool team, so deserve it.
Is it say Oko deserving say we play a role in the Liverpool team from 2011 and Mane deserve, and I say yeah, that review this season Sadio Mane, Jordan Henderson, Kevin De Bruyne, Virgil van Dijk, Marcus Rashford, Henderson is standing top ahead of all these players.
Oh, me only say Henderson is standing all that tall ahead of them. Come here, you choose I'm going for Kevin De Bruyne.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think that association and I said writers now to Abano why you fair to Kevin De Bruyne?
Writers now English press. So now sport a kind. They will go in favor of yeah. But coming to Kevin De Bruyne. This is a powerful.
Okay. Yeah, because and you know Pep Guardiola Casa on the last season Liverpool player they winning Mohamed Salah. But Liverpool didn't win the league. It was Man City. It's not going to change. Man City player going to be a winning war. At this time around, how can change Liverpool a winning league into a certain player that India? That's why you fair the Man City side.
Because I think say year now, Eden Hazard. Winning a crown.
I think it wasn't Chelsea winning league.
Yeah, Man City.
Man City.
Any winning.
Yes.
It's okay. But I'm surprised a bit because Kevin De Bruyne numbers.
Yes.
Yeah, this season alone, over 19 assists. All time when Thierry Henry, he 20 assists in a
single season. Yes.
In Kansas say, Bibi Kura say Bibi Kura and
what say you did actually Casablanca na what no mama we you know young man am oh Liverpool for no young one of us oh hello but mami bisa mo and then you know you must say you share the bottom of the English EPL table Norwich they confirm okay Bournemouth with 31 points at the 19th position. Samsona Bo Kennedy added Watford. And so now 34 points, 18th position. And Aston Villa so 34 points, 17th position. Why the relegation? Why never survive? And why again? Weekend, Bournemouth, and I said Watford, about Arsenal. Aston Villa against West Ham. West Ham already was surviving relegation. When you hear points in front of Bia. Mama Aston Villa and also Aston Villa and Aston Villa call relegation.
Relegation in Aston Villa is Norwich young who stand. Okoba Oshe Bournemouth and Watford the likes of West Ham and Aston Villa now. Siano me say top down one that 3 on a woman echo from the 17th no echo woman and one because Norwich Ebeko, Bournemouth Ebeko and Watford. Indeed, the last 3 years, me said is a grabby every to me as a summer. Sir, Bournemouth and Watford movie a bit to me again. So one day.
Okay, do you say Norwich, Bournemouth?
Watford and one the last one I be maintained now here the
top 4 30 seconds. Chelsea, Manchester United, Leicester. Why they feel why they bought top 4?
Top 4 no. In why the senior yes na top 4 see anu say acquire ding dong affairs. And so the Epo Hanaba. But the 3rd position and the 4th position no ana a very problem but me position nankasa either one of Chelsea and I say United they be Leicester they are out. It is the 3rd and the 4th position on United and Chelsea.
This is Leicester and Manchester United and what top 4. What if Chelsea lose to Wolves?
Chelsea can lose to Wolves by Manchester winning, still Chelsea will be in the top 4.
Fantastic one. And then can I to say I won't say league in the top 4 race and after so bottom half of the my the our one that final games was Sunday 3 p.m. Ghana time and as our games was so can you say because here I better say better say they analyze it they are because you must see who is going on relegation they are what top 4 our one because here okay many production Becca sir okay producer mama ya aware producer mama ya aware say live games no live games acro live so Sunday 3 p.m. live games now we be discussing all the games about 3 p.m. and I say better 2:30 yes because games are 3 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Ghana time on Sunday the transfer fees so the live games right there acro live so when thing I make sure says they do that time here go Facebook watch acro live debia ne mu nsɛm ya wopɛ no ɛno ana yɛde ma wo nti ɛne no Sunday 2:30 p.m. yɛbɛtena so after the live games no ɛde abroad with sport abɛtena ase ɔma yɛ critical analysis who is surviving when they win anaasɛ when they go top 4 ɛwɔ ano with sport Chelsea bɛtumi abɔ top 4
wode ma answer na bɛkɔ ma bɛkɔ
relegation team okay
wohwɛ teams na they are fighting to stay in the league na one last matches na akeni nyinaa wɔn nyinaa kɔbɔ away Watford kɔ away to
Chelsea
dabi
wɔkɔ against Arsenal yes
Aston Villa nso ne West Ham
wɔbɔ
nso kɔ ɛna Bournemouth nso ne Everton nti ɛnyɛ easy match ma wɔn nyinaa a very 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 difficult match na ɔhwɛ a mehwɛ team a ɛyɛ Montreal na mehwɛ Norwich already is been confirmed said they walk or relegation. I'll go in for the team to survive and they I think say Aston Villa beat to survive. Because we won last 2 matches now one improve. Watford the Watford because
usually say Watford which Arsenal shocking results.
Arsenal reign in Lusu that 2 matches because they will come back stronger again because 1 matches before one last match here we lose now. Now one ball Manchester City asan the ball Liverpool big wins ma won nti I think say they would like to end the season with a smile on their fans face nti tight matches and so on. I am going to top 4 so a very nice match. So it's last matches na kana. Chelsea bubble
Stamford Bridge
against Wolverhampton. Every Leicester City is home against Manchester. Now some match a very very tricky match. Manchester United against Leicester City because you will win be an qualify some match.
Yes.
You will win be qualify some match. And I think say Wolves in need one shada need BBR to play for. It's a very big game also my Chelsea because Chelsea have to win.
Chelsea I'm not for game against Wolves in
Mubeden because league in man. Wolves we Liverpool I think they have the least away we lose. League in man. It's and also very 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 tough match my Chelsea.
Okay. But Chelsea top 4.
Oh definitely 90 minutes now. I think the Chelsea and the crowd draw they will be to what the draw will qualify.
Oh okay. Fantastic one. Oh. Mazwai. Well Chelsea team lose 5-3 against Liverpool against Wolves last day. First leg which we on 5-1 away. There's shocking results. 5-2 yes 5-2 there's shocking results. And then Stamford Bridge against Wolves fighting for Europa spot, most of them fighting for the Champions League spot. Which is the way to answer Wolves are qualified for the Champions League. And Manchester United against Leicester. Quick one.
Yeah, that's it. I would say this week a very busy Sunday, a very busy day. I think the venue of attraction will be King Power Stadium at Stamford Bridge, respectively. I'm not going to Stamford Bridge first. Stamford Bridge first. Chelsea against Wolverhampton. AFS leg, Chelsea winning 5-2. convincing. Coming back, we did is Chelsea really high the Wolves because the Wolves are already one qualified for Europa. They have nothing to play for again. Their position is secured. Their qualification is also secured. So Chelsea rather need the vital points, and I think that they will have to win. It's a must win because looking at the investments Chelsea have made, they can't afford to lose the Champions League spot. So me when say Chelsea come for Sunday will be winning. Look, can power as well. United against Leicester. They be a meter say Leicester City walk for Champions League now. Warren looking at their performance.
Don't you think say you have really been unfair to Leicester? Because the first season our Champions League, I think they will reach the quarter-final stage. It took a certain Atletico Madrid was 1-0. It was a penalty. And I want to say, I'm not for a penalty in 1 second. Say a penalty or this. So don't you think say their second coming, at least one big experience from the first taste of the Champions League. So their second coming, which will improve upon their way first.
Oh, okay, I see your point. Leicester for some time now, their performance is not
compared to Manchester United, for the past 5 years, they said that Manchester United performance, our Champions League says Serbia, Papa Bia, our do you think that two why they call
oh, maybe Madrid United and Chelsea. I get the nod over Leicester City and Wolverhampton. Going forward, let me say United I won't Champions League.
I'm for sending me message. When you walk on Koyashi, that all my Leicester so called. What do I mean?
We don't want because since the arrival of Bruno Fernandes, I think the United if I say epic after the lockdown. I think going forward, we'll qualify for Champions League. Everyone will be Samsung Chelsea so investment are Warren per se obey hand say Wolverhampton if I and you am any good and no garin. Once say this is in the derby. Still beginning to the Leicester, let me say Chelsea, Manchester United. Come on to a Sunday after 90 minutes in the qualification for the Champions League is secured.
Fantastic one from Bashua. Manchester United, we share the likes of Bruno Fernandes, Paul Pogba, and I'm for Kikane, Fernando Poo, Mabe, Yamabe Koye, the Champions League. Over the weekend, Sunday, by 5 p.m., we'll say Chelsea, Man U, Leicester, and then for Champions League. And in an interesting thing, I don't know about I forget because Chelsea, Man U, Mona, and yet the other also, and I don't know what for now, we show. You'll be trying Chelsea the 10 Man U also for Chelsea Vermode. Man U top 10, Chelsea also for Man U there. And now what you just see.
Oh, maybe as a Chelsea fan, me I can't go and Leicester go. I can't go and Leicester go. Oh, Man United.
When you go, I'm going to have
okay, as a rivalry football team, but make sure team is a Leicester City. When the young player be to say Jamie Vardy this season, coming from a team like Leicester City now, is leading the working or English Premier League. A very, very, very big achievement. I'm on Leicester City. And they bring Rogers and Mawayan. Now, Ocean Warriors started with leg in the game, non she goes, or 5 matches. Non she go in. But as a year back closer to ending, she goes to the Masters in identity. Going into Sunday match, we look ahead, say, we maybe sure say, go king in it. No, obey any in Grand Stars or Beshama United, not there for go king. It is another person, a very, very big match. One,
Chelsea needs to say, how can I go Facebook? Facebook, can comment, and then to me, Abana, Arabana. I also know about good work. I just say thumbs up, and then the other 2 I just say, oh boy, I was so on the Rabna, and so no, and I was saying, you have a share or Facebook or Samsung. Henry, yeah, Henry, yeah. And also, I was a sports there, and one I could life. also na boy also e wo no so ma enchia no afei so no bibia also na ko ye from a usual poku and also a special and also okay exceptional sports e wo no also say akola be opa kensi mu sem football athletics boxing there and now akola for also no e dey atwas also na with one and also no the odo yes one of the atwa odo sem na o kire e dey ma akola for also do ye for wizi e wo no asante the queen also 2.0 also the India was so Swansea is coming back into the league. Sunday what's an Arsenal after signing in Swansea Kobo playoff. Say Ghanaian connection now Andre Ayew, you know, sharing to between the Swansea qualify into the English Premier League. And then Sunday at Arsenal we share the championship in India. So on some one when he Asante whether was a one Asante so no Esan Tunchia Eva Bashua Yewa when he Ochia Bashua Yepa or so na na granting so the India say good work more fire I will hold on also no area bana sans na kwakodi fix also no area was I greet you boss more fire I will hold on kwakodi yes so etia more fire so no enko enfama I will hold on say very cool and you know very cool but quick one my memo be 5 seconds Bajwai Italian Serie A and you know Juventus lose against Udinese Juventus beat match and I bet now Atlanta I will just was them. 5 seconds.
Still, and now we see. We mean right and go day. Name Kofi Antoata will see. Still now I got 3 matches. I don't see anything Atlanta or Lazio coming ahead of them. So I still stick with Juventus so we did. And she also in Abigail Apen upon
Abigail upon
Apen
oh Abigail Apen upon
Prekese
Abigail Bashua you tia who say who should programs no Abigail
Apen upon
okay Abigail the version also so wow Sporta Italian Serie A 5 seconds Juventus obey Jumanji and as a kilo
so league in here decided here because we still have 3 matches to go. You see, I have 6 points difference. Atlanta are very good form. I watch suppose. If they are to play to the rhythm I said they are going to fight for, they want to overtake Juventus. Should Juventus say Robert drop it 1 where 3 points, 1 will lose 1 match, see 3 matches in Canada. A bit too much for one I say.
Okay, so it is possible that Juventus will lose.
Oh, yeah, possible because I think they won't pass their last 5 matches.
Only winning 1 pair.
Only winning 1 pair. There is a possibility that we will lose 2 in so.
Okay. Korea, tell us Cristiano Ronaldo should say you know, wait to make Scudetto. Okay, no wait to make
Okay, no, a bedding bar. Or you know there are 3 matches to go there. Ronaldo will to me Bibia or no Bibia or no anything. And found teams that will be share and
football.
Even a game and I can Ronaldo will be to me I Bibia but leg in the and they said they can do the because 1 match off now more a day leg no until I know there young train so Juventus 1 match off or the baby Indian said their next game is against Sampdoria. And after say one more call Udinese Eko Nyada 2-1 defeat now there's no way more better Turin as Abelusi game no in that game media I hope say Juventus be champions
Alright. It was a fancy very cool fancy that face so no yendo BBS you all feel na break a share and akola so any other okay see on self no everyone you better obibia so asset one I mean that could be something and so as na face no with spotter and so do the kind so how we know the analysis ni na up to just also Steven the bat one Bashwai so no be feel how also a share na dream elephant 7 minutes now it's not in here and do BBS once again my we say Nana Amadu here SCMJ FP for constituency happy birthday okay producer so maybe 2 minutes into maybe 2 minutes maybe chama ko bia mo we say MP happy birthday mo we should say bia for catch na ko bia
oh
who criticize, so I criticize, no one about so no one about so you can bet
MP de me ɛyɛ mfe na wonya aka ne mfe ho nti na Nyankopɔn ka no no ana me na wonya mfe aka ne mfe ho
on kwa na on sign
yɛ dɔ ba ade ase sɛ wa ma no fe ba kwa aka ne
fantastic Potter they have to give birthday
happy birthday to honorable MP Nyamedra Abedi Stadium na sene sɛ yɛ de menam sɛ August Aladen ka no na ɔma ne India na ɔntumi famwe a ɛyɛ Ekropong constituency
okay
ntuma na yɛ nyinaa obi a
we are hwehwɛ sa ɛwɔ that's why MP birthday
MP is na woda
yes
we dey ba kwa kan ne fi mu ɛnyɛ obi bia na mu saa ɛnɛ da yi nti no ɛyɛ aseda na ɛnsɛ MP
sa
na ɔmfa ne hwehwɛ ne sɛ dɛ impuntu bɛba de okuapaman
constituency
yes precisely so that's what we are looking forward to.
Okay. Me no meti anu na because me fire I sure na afoka na yen ka wo because I say MP okay we dey aba
ezo we buy their co like the party no be
but and no and what na me ba no because any party na see edi because a weekend and a Friday the party no na honorable adaroma party ni dey see dey say oba na o chana no etumi tena se na fin so no edi e birthday no akola say baba na ase na fin so hye no wo nyina no ya to bia nje ni say obere to say MPB a minimum won twen a DBB na je say go from like or the afem na aja or the winning was nje ni say sa na to adaroma minimum ni wadwuma wetuma abo e wo ha no nti no ye fancy na fin so ya sorry di me so na fin so djuma ni bi aka no ento aso emfa ma o bia santi be pie so na we supporter na fin so stay in the battle ma show ayi and so we pie mu because say Tiwa barber shop amlo ne wo so ya say me djuma di no nyira a bro sounds na Sima advertising and they put posters banners t-shirts papa ne a print e dia ma you billboards na ya print bi dia tara so a Sima advertising na bibia so na betumi akoye e dia ma o na kwa me on say di enemy din amen to nchi afama na afia keti owo ugwa pe ma anyway ma nchi a ya kramo we can say Sunday 2:30 p.m. the better snap face so ya ka nyira no e dia abo o Acro Life only na mentra na mentra bye bye